Do you ever try and use one of these things? The sanding disc on a drill? Well, let me show you something. See how it jumps around? I don't know how they expect anyone to get a decent surface out of one of these things, you know. Let me show you a better way. Okay, now I've mounted that disc in the drill press. And now we can use it to flatten out a board. Just bring it down very softly and then move the board. Keep the board in motion at all times when it's contacting. There you go. Nice smooth finish. Good use for this sanding disc in a drill press. Thank you. I hope you like it. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel.